Well, today we are at CDM UK, Centre for Creative Design and Manufacture UK. Today we are holding what is known as the Stitch Festival. It's about kantha stitch, which is pretty much a South Asian textile technique, mainly in Bengal. It's not only about cross-pollination of various techniques into stitching different fabrics, but it's also bringing different people together, so stitching the community together really.
We wanted to give a window into what goes behind making a garment, so that's why we set up these block printing, screen printing and sewing workshops. And what's great is that everybody got their hands dirty.
It is a place for creative people creating things, whether it's physical, virtual, singing, drawing, art, whatever it is. One thing I can guarantee you, you will not want to leave once you come in. People come here for 10 minutes and then don't leave for another 2 hours. Manchester International Festival is bringing different communities together in a creative environment. Exactly what we are trying to do, bring people, different communities together, doing different aspects of textile activities together in one place.
Manchester International Festival has really supported me a lot to make this event really successful. Without their support, I don't think it would have been that successful.
What I particularly liked is the MIF team doesn't know the meaning of the word no. Something got to be done, they will find a way to do it.
I've got no word to say. It was so amazing, and the people, there was so much diversity, and it was like explosion of the community and stitch coming together, because that's what I love, stitching people together.